Welcome to How to Literally, where we keep it smart, simple, and scam-free. Today, I'm diving into GenSpark AI, an incredibly powerful tool that combines artificial intelligence with productivity features like never before. We're going to cover what GenSpark can do, how to use it effectively, and how it can save you hours of work, whether you're writing, researching, making presentations, or even generating video content. So what is GenSpark AI? GenSpark AI is more than just a chatbot. It's a full productivity suite powered by AI, offering tools to help you generate content, automate tasks, and even create presentations or videos all from one platform. Unlike ChatGPT, GenSpark integrates real-time web data, which means it can give you up-to-date responses instead of relying only on its pre-trained knowledge. Plus, it offers different AI sparks that you can choose from, each tailored to specific tasks like writing, coding, research, and much more. This means you're getting a tool that's flexible, powerful, and easy to use for anyone from beginners to pros. First, let's talk about getting set up. Head to genspark.ai and click Get Started. You can sign up using your Google account, GitHub, or email super easy. No payment info is required for the basic plan, which gives you access to most of the features. Once you've signed up, you'll land on the GenSpark dashboard where you can access all the tools. Here's what you'll see when you log in. Across the top, you've got a row of 6 core tools: AI Slides, AI Sheets, Generate Video, Call for Me, AI Chat, and All Agents. Each of these tools has its own purpose, and you can choose which one to use depending on the task you're working on. You can also see any active sessions and save projects, so it's easy to jump back into previous tasks. Let's break down each tool in detail. First up is AI Slides. This tool creates full presentation decks for you based on just a topic. Let's say you need to put together a presentation and digital marketing ads in 2025. Simply enter the topic and AI Slides will generate a deck with clean professional formatting. You can even customize each slide with your own text or images or export it to PowerPoint or Google Slides for further editing. This is a huge time saver for students, professionals, or anyone who needs to create slides quickly without spending hours on design. Next is AI Sheets. If you're not a spreadsheet pro but still need to create and manage data, AI Sheets is your friend. Let's say you need to create a monthly budget, just type in your categories like rent, groceries, and savings, and AI Sheets will generate the layout for you. It even does formulas. If you want a pie chart of your expenses or a line graph of your savings, AI Sheets will generate that too. Whether you're working on finances, project management, or even keeping track of personal goals, this tool makes it quick and easy to set up and manage your data. Next we have is Generate Video. It's another standout feature of GenSpark. You can create explainer videos by simply entering a script or a short description. For example, if you type, create a 2-minute video explaining the basics of artificial intelligence, the platform will generate an animated video with a voiceover, background music, and related visuals. While it's not going to replace a professional video production team, it's perfect for creating quick explainer videos, social media content, or internal training materials. It's ideal for content creators, educators, or marketers who need to produce videos fast. Call for Me is one of the more unique features of GenSpark. This lets you simulate phone calls or set up voice interactions with the AI. You can create voice scripts like having an AI assistant help you schedule appointments or give directions. It's still in an early stage, but it's great for testing out voice interactions or preparing for customer service type calls. For example, you can train it to help you rehearse an important phone call or interview. The real-world applications of this are still developing, but it's fun to experiment with. Then we have AI Chat, the core of GenSpark. Much like ChatGPT, it allows you to ask questions, generate ideas, write content, and more. You can ask it to write blog posts, help you code, summarize articles, or even come up with creative content ideas. The more specific your request, the better the response you'll get. For example, instead of saying, write me a blog post, say, write a 500-word blog post of the benefits of meditation for mental health. You can also choose a tone, formal, friendly, or professional, so it fits your needs. But here's where GenSpark really shines: All Agents. This is the feature that elevates GenSpark from just another AI tool to a full-fledged productivity suite. In the All Agents section, you'll find both basic and advanced agents that are specialized for specific tasks. If you're a student, content creator, or freelancer, GenSpark is a game changer. It's easy to use, saves you time, and helps you do more without needing technical skills. Professionals in need of quick presentations, emails, or budget templates, GenSpark can handle it. But if you're looking for deep customization or highly creative work, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Still, for 90% of tasks, it'll have you covered. The AI-driven tools let you create high-quality content in a fraction of the time it would normally take, making it a great asset for anyone on a tight schedule. Plus, its range of agents means you're never stuck with just one tool. There's something for everyone, whether you're working on a report or managing a complex project. And while it doesn't replace the need for hands-on expertise, it definitely elevates your workflow, allowing you to focus on what matters most. And that's it for today's GenSpark AI tutorial. Thanks for tuning in, and stay tuned for more simple, smart, and scam-free guides right here on How to Literally.